Hello everyone, Steve Stratton here with Redline Emissions Products. Today I'm here with a product we are excited to debut. It's Filtertherm's brand new Aqueous DPF cleaning machine. This is a DPF cleaning machine that bridges the gap between light medium duty, off-highway, and on-highway heavy-duty diesel markets. Today we're going to take a look at some of its key features. It has a computer-guided washing system, which makes this a completely automated process. The display gives the operator the ability to clean filters from 6 inches to 20 inches in diameter and change from heavy duty to light medium duty at the flip of a switch. This machine's patented XY system ensures every inch of the filter substrate is properly cleaned. The computer monitors the machine's operating condition to alert the user when service is needed, and the built-in filtration system keeps this machine running with quick service intervals at a low end user cost of $5 per filter cleaning. The machine comes with remote support for diagnostics. As long as you have internet service, a technician can log into the machine and help diagnose issues. This machine is fully self-contained in an 8-foot wide, 3.5 foot deep, and 6.5 foot tall area. The initial setup is less than an hour and you're ready to clean filters. With the Filtertherm package, one technician can clean up to 20 filters in an 8-hour shift. That's all we have for today. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to info@filtertherm.com or call 888-295-4670.